This video will help you filter your class listings tables to create custom tables for your website. Here are some examples. We'll start with a URL you can paste into a web browser such as Chrome, and then customize it before you add it to your website. You can find this standard table URL code in our Help Center by entering a search for No JavaScript. Copy the URL into a web browser and replace the X's at the end of the URL with your own organization ID. You can determine your organization ID by going to the gear icon, Settings, Online Registration. All your active classes will display with this URL. You can filter this table to show only classes that meet filter criteria. The available filters you can use are location, session, category fields, class days, gender, room, and instructor ID. You may use as few or as many filters as you wish. For example, let's add a filter for Category 1. At the end of the URL, type &CAT1 equals, and then type a Category 1 from your database. We can also add more filters if we wish. For example, filter these classes for a session and a Category 2. This gives me a table of my classes with a session of Fall 2019, a Category 1 equal to Bunny, and a Category 2 equal to Beginner. Repeat this and make a new URL for each group of classes. Once you're ready to add your customized code to your website, you may need to add additional code depending on your website editor. If your website editor cannot support JavaScript and asks for a hyperlink, website URL, or website address, you can simply use your customized code as a link or in an iframe. If your website editor supports JavaScript or asks you for HTML or source mode, you can embed your tables directly on your web pages. Simply replace the word direct in the URL with the letters JS. Then replace your customized URL between the quote marks in this full script. This is the full script needed to embed a table onto a web page. For information on how to customize your code further by adding columns, hiding columns, sorting, or other customizations such as changing font sizes, refer to our Help Center.